Hey, good afternoon. My name is Jeremiah with Mobility 316. Today I'm shooting a video of our 2023 Chrysler Voyager LX. You can see with the key fob here. I can operate both power sliding doors and the rear trunk hatch. This is a brand new rear entry conversion. I can operate this entire conversion using just 2 fingers. I pinch and I flip. It's got a handle on either side here. Again, I pinch here and I flip, and I can take this 34-inch wide ramp to the ground using only my index finger. I tell our customers, if you can lift half a gallon of milk up off the ground, you can operate that ramp with ease. If you park and someone parks next to you in a side entry, you cannot get out of the vehicle. Not the case with the rear entry. Like I mentioned, a wider ramp for hauling bigger chairs. Most of the side entries are only 30 inches, so if you need bigger chairs, this might be the answer for you. You've got more ground clearance in a rear entry for getting over rougher terrain, and they're more affordable to convert, therefore more affordable for you to purchase. A few of the reasons, advantages to the rear entry, but if you're looking for side entry, if you want full-size van, talk to me, we carry them all. 800-pound weight capacity. You got about 56 inches of headroom coming in the van, then about 56 once you're inside the van. Just taper down to about 32 inches of width there where the ramp sets. We've got a long, deep channel in here. This is about a foot deeper than both the Toyota and the Caravan. So if you're looking to haul 2 chairs at a time, you want that extra foot of depth, the Chryslers might be the answer for you. We can also put a 3rd row seat in here that'll flip down. You could potentially haul 6 people plus a wheelchair in this van. You can see the headliner's in great shape. You got your cup holders for the passengers in the rear. Now, one neat thing about these vans is we got the flip base seating. So I'm come around here and I'll show this to you real quick. We gotta get that seat belt off so that seat will come down. All right, put our armrests up. Now, if you put this down, if you pull here, the seat will come down very fast. It is spring loaded, so be careful when you're doing that. I don't want to see you get smacked in the face or anything like that. There it goes. So I needed to get 2 hands on it. So once the seat is in this position, we pull out right here, okay? And then we're gonna bring the seat towards us. So let me get it started. I do need 2 hands for that. All right, so I pulled it out here. I lift it up here a little bit, and I can do it with 1 hand. So keep the seat pulling. Very simple to do. I'll do the same thing over here on the driver's side, and I'm just showing this to you so you can see it's nice, clean, brand new condition. Pop these armrests up, flip that seat down. You can see how fast it flips down there. Again, I got it started. Let's pull it up here. Very simple to do. I can do it with 1 hand. So you can see once I have both those seats popped up out of the way, I can easily get 2 chairs in here, get a chair all the way up to the front, get a second one behind if needed. I've got the upgrade Q-Shrink tie downs in here. These are high dollar. Be aware, some of my competition is going to try to sell you or give you the little raggedy tie downs on this thing and then try to upsell you on these $500-600 bucks. I throw them in free, so be sure you get yours for free no matter who you buy from. Got your Q-Strength warranty and instructions there. Nice little center console. Plug-ins for all your electronics. Dual climate control, rear air, backup camera. The dash is in great shape. No cracks or holes in the dash. It's got your steering wheel controls so you can keep your eyes on the road. You can sync up your phone. And then you can operate all the power sliding doors just like so. Shut them all down. And when you get everybody secure, come back out, reverse the process again. 1 finger, all it takes. Super simple to do. You know, the power ramps and doors are nice. We do have some of them, but they are very costly when they break down. So be aware of that. And you can shut your door there and you're ready to roll. Now, our conversion comes with a 3-year unlimited mile warranty on the conversion. Now, a lot of our competition is going to tell you they have a better conversion than we do, and that's fine. That's what they get paid to say. I mean, what do you want them to say? So yeah, they're going to tell you it's better, but I want you to ask them what their warranty is, because ours is 3 years unlimited miles. Most of them are going to be 1 year, 12,000 miles, or 3 years, 36,000 miles. You know, so if they're stopped at 12,000 or 36,000 miles, ours goes unlimited. You tell me who has the better built conversion. So as I do a walk around of the van, you can see it's super clean. It's darn near brand new condition. And you would ask me, well, why would someone trade in a van? Why would someone sell a van that's only got 700 miles on it? Well, a lot of these leasing companies, they'll buy 40 or 50 of these thinking they're going to need them, or rental car companies, you know, and it turns out they don't need as many as they thought. They'll send them over to auction. They'll sell them off to us. That's where I come into these. So pretty much a brand new van for a fraction of the price. And no matter who you do business with, make sure you get a video of the VIN number. Not a picture, a video. And why I say that, a lot of these scammers on the internet, they're taking pictures off the internet of my vans, or vans of other competition. They're eliminating, they're just cutting out the sign up there, and they're making it look like they're selling it. they'll take my van I'm selling for $50,000 and they'll put online $15,000, send $1,000 deposit now. What they're trying to do is get you to send them $1,000 really. And once you send that $1,000, they're going to disappear off the internet. So don't get scammed. Get a video of that VIN number, because if you were to say to them, hey, Facebook seller, get me a video of that VIN number so I know you have it in your possession. Say the name, say your name, say the date on it. My name is Jeremiah. Today is February 23rd or something. I don't know. Heck, Friday. It's Friday. That's all that matters. So make sure you get a video of that VIN number. Don't get scammed. All right. What I do with that VIN number on a Carfax on every one of our vehicles, you can see last owned one owner, shows minor damage. I'm going to show that to you. And what I do, I copy the VIN number here. And you can do this at home. You can go punch it into Google. I'm going to paste it into Google. Search. I go to images. You can see it ends in 2150. What happened is van had someone vandalized them at the lot. You can see the rear window's broken out. So no big deal. I mean, dumb people being dumb people. But you can see the exact same VIN number. Again, you can go look this up yourself. Ends in 2150. So the vehicle had minor damage. It's all been replaced. Everything was fine. You can even look on this. It shows the van in full when it was, there's an insurance claim on it. It shows damage. You can see the insurance claim was the rear window. Everything else is fine. It wasn't wrecked. Wasn't any hail on it. Wasn't in a flood. Just had the, everything's fine. So I just want to show that to you. The rear window's been replaced. Absolutely didn't affect anything at all. So. And it's also been a rental vehicle, like I said, a rental fleet. They probably bought too many of them. On the Carfax, these aren't always correct. Carfax shows damage to the front. You can see clearly there was no damage on the front of the vehicle. So Carfax is usually a very good source. Not always 100% accurate, but you can see there. So anyways, windshield broken out. Not a big deal. Some people being morons. That's the way life goes. So this van does still meet the specs of being a 3-year, 36,000-mile bumper-to-bumper warranty as well. No matter who you do business with, check them out online. Look at the reputation. Find us on eBay. 1,505 transactions. Every single one of those transactions left us positive feedback. I'd say that qualifies for a good reputation. And no matter who you do business with, find them on Google. Make sure they are a real company. You can see here we are, 4.8 out of 5-star reviews, 290 reviews total. I hear horror stories all the time of people buying a van from a private individual. The van ends up being stolen. They have to get the van back. They don't get their money back. Vans with flood damage, major problems. Or they end up buying from one of these dealers, and the buyer didn't bother going on Google and looking at the reviews and see what people are saying about them. I know there's quite a few dealers out there with 1 and 2 and 3-star reviews selling salvage titles they don't tell people about. Ones with major mechanical problems. So if you want 1 and 2 and 3-star vans, you give them a call. If you want 5-star vans with 5-star service from a company that's been doing this for a dozen years, I look forward to working with you. Right, another great feature about this van, you hit that remote start button, van fires right up. So whether it's summertime and you want to come out to a nice air-conditioned van, or it's the colder months, you want to come out to nice heated up van, the frosted windows, the heated seats and steering wheel going, you've got that option. Another nice feature about this van, it's got the push button start. It's got the one key with it. A lot of these rental companies, they lose everything. So if you want us to get a second key made on your dime, we can sure do so. But what I like about this, if the key's in your pocket or your purse, put your foot on the brake, push the push button start. You don't have to fish out your key. You can see 702 original miles. Got a full tank of gas in it. It's got your backup camera, nice big backup camera there. You can see it's got the heated steering wheel and heated seats. Man, if you've never tried a heated steering wheel, it'll change your life. It's pretty neat. And if you're going to use this van for, say, non-emergency medical transport, you're going to use it all the time, hit the off button there. These doors become manual. They'll open and shut quickly. Easy to do. You've got that option. So I've got 4 mechanics that work for me. Actually, 3 mechanics that work for me. I'm sorry. We've tested all the power mirrors, windows, and locks. I'm going to show you those moving. Even though this van's pretty much a brand new van, we still test all that stuff. I don't let anything go. Well, we're very thorough in everything we do. We've tested the brakes, heat, air, belts, cruise, hoses, suspension, steering, taken them on a road test, checked all the fluids. Hope you can tell by our videos, we're very thorough in everything we do. Underneath the hood, it's got a 3.6 V6 engine. Idles smoothly, no signs of any damage, no signs of any leaks. Purrs like a kitten. As I crawl underneath the van, much of the same, very clean. No signs of any bent metal from an accident, no signs of any fluid leaks. With no signs of any rust from being in a flood or being up north from the Rust Belt. And that's the #1 mistake people make when they buy used vehicles. They assume things. They assume just because it got 700 miles on it, they assume it's never been in a bad accident or a flood, you know. And I've seen, you know, brand new vehicles can be in a flood on the lot. So do not assume things. That's the most dangerous thing you can do. But I want you to ask yourself, and I want you to go check out my competition. I don't care if it's a private individual. I don't care if it's another dealer. But I want you to ask yourself, do they show me the reputation online so I know I'm buying from somebody reputable? Do they show me a Carfax report so I know I'm buying a vehicle that's got a clean title, no major accidents or damage, never been in a flood? Do they even bother getting on their hands and knees, even taking a couple pictures, much less a detailed video of the undercarriage, so you know exactly what you're getting, so you can see there's been no flood damage on this thing. You can see the metal's not all bent up from a bad wreck. So when it comes to not only price, when it comes to reputation, when it comes to how thorough they are and showing you the exact vehicle you're going to get, please compare me to the competition, I beg you. And what happens if you end up buying a vehicle that's got a bad frame from a flood damage or from a bad accident? You know, it may not pass inspection in your state. Or what happens if you end up buying a vehicle you can't get a title for? Well, you can't register it. Either one of those two things, you can't drive your vehicle, you just bought a paperweight. So to avoid those, demand a detailed video like this, not some lazy 30-second walk around. Are they really going to ask you to spend $50,000, $60,000 and send you some lazy 30-second video? Second, demand a Carfax report. I know Carfax are expensive. I spend thousands of dollars a month on them. But is someone really going to ask you to spend $50,000, $60,000 and they're not going to spend $45 for a Carfax? Come on now. Third, we talked about this a little bit. Check out who you're buying from. Check out their reputation. Make sure they're legitimate before you send them a penny. Lazy buyers get scammed. Don't be a lazy buyer. Do your due diligence. And then finally, make sure the vehicle comes with a warranty. This van's still under the specs for the 3-year, 36,000 mile bumper-to-bumper warranty, the 3-year unlimited warranty on the conversion, and still 5-year, 60,000 mile powertrain warranty as well. So let's get it out for a test drive so you can hear it run. Okay, the final portion of the video, I always like to get the vans out on the highway, give them some gas so you can hear the engine run, feel the transmission shift through all the gears, and you know whether you take advantage of our free shipping in the lower 48 states or if you come in and drive this Voyager home. We've done our due diligence, we've made sure it's roadworthy, pops up to 70 miles an hour, no problems. Steering wheel's nice and straight, no unusual vibration or noise. Got the cruise control set, cruise works good. Do keep in mind this vehicle meets all the specs to be under the full factory warranty, but also you can buy long-term extended warranties that go anywhere from out to 8 years. So talk to me about how you can affordably protect your investment long-term. Also keep in mind, we don't have any hidden fees. A lot of these dealers have a real nice price online. What they've hidden in the fine print, $500 administrative fee, they got document fees, they got tag fees, they got freight, you name it, they got a fee for it. You know what they don't have? Free shipping. So by the time you add up all the hidden fees, by the time you add up the cost of shipping, that real nice price you saw online, it just jumps $3,000 or $4,000. That's not such a nice price anymore, is it? So be sure to ask about the shipping and hidden fees before you buy, or sit back, relax, let me take care of all that for you and no additional charge to you. My question to you, if someone's not telling you the real price of a vehicle, they got a bunch of hidden fees on the back end, what else are they hiding from you? Is it a salvage title? Is it flood damage? Is it mechanical issues? I can't speak for them, but what I can speak for, that in any business, but especially the used car business, transparency is key. That's exactly why I'm out here making this video today, to be 100% transparent. And keep in mind, if you want to give us a phone call, 316-262-VANS. That's 316-262-8267. Call or text me. My name is Jeremiah. I am the owner. You now have my cell phone number. I challenge you to ask the competition if they are dedicated enough to customer service to give you the owner's cell phone number. Or do you have to call in and talk to an automated system, end up in somebody's voicemail and never get a call back? Or maybe you do get that live person. It's a super aggressive, pushy used car salesman who's going to call you 5 times a day to ask if you're ready to make a deal. So if you're like me, sick of being treated like just a number, and you definitely want to avoid that super aggressive, pushy used car salesman, give me a call. I'll walk you through start to finish. And I promise you, absolutely zero pressure sales, because I'm going to sell this Voyager whether you buy it or not. So we do have financing available. We can send an application to your phone or email address, and if computers aren't your thing, pick up the phone, give us a call. We're happy to take an application over the phone. And yes, we do take trade-ins, even from across the country, whether standard or mobility vehicle. Call me. I can explain how that works. And if you've made it to the end of our video, thanks for hanging in there. I know it's a long video, but there's a lot of information and it's a major purchase. I try to be as thorough as possible. If you'd like to see our, ever do want to come in, please make an appointment with us. I know your time is valuable. We don't want to miss you. If you ever want to give us a thumbs up here on YouTube, we'd really appreciate that. Give us a follow if you want to be the first to see all of our upcoming inventory. And if you'd like to see our entire inventory with detailed videos just like this, free shipping, free Carfax reports, and dozens of pictures, so you know exactly what you're getting from the most thorough and transparent mobility dealership in the country, check out our website 24 hours a day at www.mobility316.com. That's mobility316.com. And as always, thank you so much for checking out Mobility 316, home of affordable mobility solutions, where mobility is affordable. Give us that call today and have yourself a wonderful day.